Here on the other side.
Baga hapo tu pump sio? Nafika tu pakilia sio?
Hiro, yamuka chukue kwenda fanya dalpo twanga.
Okay, now I need to connect to this part.
Yeah. Yes, Captain.
Yeah.
Everything right?
Absolutely. So this is actually the car. It's like, you see down there?
Yeah.
Or the pressure is like the water pressure, so to go this way. You see all of them is bending in different direction.
Okay.
So just to give the air like this, so the
Yeah.
tire is going this way. You can see it down here.
That area.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is how we can, what are they digging 1 meter? Yeah.
Okay.
I need to start. So all the pressure coming through here.
All pressure.
Yeah.
How many bar?
8 bar.
80 bar.
8 bar.
My God.
7, they do it extra 7 bar.
Okay. How many days you use in the sea?
Weeks, 14 days, some more. Some 12, 15 days.
Okay. Wow. Good work. Thank you, Captain.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you.